His Holiness and our Tibetan brothers and sisters, our neighbors and friends. Tashe Dele. Welcome to the city of Medford. We celebrate the Curricula Center, which has helped to strengthen our rich diversity and our moral fabric. We thank His Holiness for his inspiring words about kindness and civility and compassion in helping one another. We celebrate the frequent visits that His Holiness makes to our city, and not only his visits, but to know that that Harvard-educated Prime Minister lives in the city of Medford. We want to make the Dalai Lama an honorary citizen of the city of Medford with the key to our community and his own Medford hat.
Thank you. Okay. Thank you, thank you. So thank you. I very much appreciate you make me honored citizen. So great honor. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. From the center for you. Tujiche, Tujiche. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.